Hi guys, you're welcome back to another edition of entertainment news. We need to keep Bambam in our prayers. Lady begs Nigerians, accuses Teddy A of consistently abusing his wife Bambam. Popular blogger Cutie Jules has called out former Big Brother NAIJA housemate Teddy A for beating his newly wedded wife Bambam. According to the blogger, Teddy formed the habit of consistently abusing his wife prior to their wedding in September. She further obliged Nigerians to pray for Bambam so that the beating won't continue after she delivers her child in 2020. After this troll, Bambam came out with a video debunking the accusation of her husband beating her. You can see for yourself in the video.
I would not come out publicly to address rumors, but this is not just rumor or random news. Baby shift says, oh, this man, wait. But a deliberate attempt at defaming my family's character and my husband's reputation. How do you joke with something as sensitive as domestic violence? To what end? I mean, we're just newlyweds, for God's sake. My husband will never lift a finger on me. He will never, ever, no matter how angry he is, or no matter how we fight or argue, which is what normal couples go through, he will never lift a finger to help me. This is really an insensitive attempt at ruining our reputation as a couple. And we will definitely get to the bottom of this.
Let me know what you think. Do you think Teddy A could raise his finger on his beautiful wife, mother of his unborn child? Let me know what you think, guys, in the comment section below. And please click on the bell button so that you receive notifications as soon as they drop. Thank you.